friends, Namaskar. Welcome to the War India News Hour. Today we are going to discuss on why work from home to be adopted as the best practices by many organizations. With the rapid growth of the internet, everyone is connected with each other. It is highly recommended to protect your personal data at all times because anyone can misuse the data. Having said that, the demand for cyber security is increasing day by day and many aspirants and students are willing to learn it and start their career in the same field. Our survey says that the positive coronavirus cases reported from India stands at 85,544 with the death toll at 2,745 and globally more than 44,54,090 infections have been reported with at least 3,02,489 fatalities. Hence, work from home will be the trend at the global level. According to a survey, about two-thirds of the 4.3 million IT BPO workforce across the country have moved to a work from home model to keep services uninterrupted during the lockdown. Experts further says some companies are likely to move to work from home permanently. Work from home will encourage more women to join the workforce in India. Now we see how work from home will give companies more flexibility to move according to business needs. Employees could be compensated based on transactions. The more productive someone is, the more they will be compensated. Going forward, HR team would fix different salary packages for those employees who are willing to work in the office and the employees who want to work from home. It is utmost necessary while working from home, one must need to be cyber active in this era of digitization. As the number of cases of cyber attacks is on rise, protecting the information becomes a job of utmost importance. Else, the unsecured data could land into the wrong hands. The need of the hour is to have a secure cyber safety system in place as well as its regular maintenance. Various cybersecurity companies are providing security strategies and risk management to the network as well as penetration tests to secure your infrastructure, and they are Fortinet, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, SonicWall, Sophos and many others. Researchers say as technology gets advanced, most of the OEM's products have the backdoors. The backdoor refers to any method by which authorized and unauthorized users are able to get around normal security measures and gain high level user access or root access onto a computer system, network or software application. This causes the security professionals to collect various types of data, behavior, pattern and many more things which a normal person cannot be able to understand unless he has a deeper knowledge of cyber security. Last year, Huawei has proposed to the Indian government to sign a no backdoor agreement. Now the question is whether other technology companies either into hardware, software business in India will be ready to sign the agreement, no backdoor agreement. Generally, what is the backdoor? We must know. Backdoors are included to allow access to a system by external agencies or third parties. These could include not only government or police departments but potentially also hackers and cyber criminal organizations. It is also true that strong encryption of devices and services protects the sensitive data of the users, and strong encryption also promotes free expression and free flow of information around the world. Cybersecurity is as much a boardroom issue as COVID-19. A major cyber breach constitutes a clear risk for both to a company's reputation and its performance. Any company that has not taken a clear action to ensure its employees and adequately security training need to act now. Companies must take all necessary steps to be cyber safe, at the same time ensuring they are COVID-19 safe. People unfamiliar with home working are easy targets for cyber criminals. Large-scale remote working is here to stay for many firms, and the frequency of cyber attacks is only going to increase. The COVID-19 pandemic has witnessed the robust growth of enterprise collaboration tools for proficient collaboration with remotely located employees inside an enterprise. Growing adoption of enterprise collaboration among the IT and telecommunication, BFSI and healthcare industries is expected to have positive market growth. The recent direction by the Supreme Court of India says that no action can be taken against any employers for not paying wages. This brings a big relief to cash-strapped factory owners. The Supreme Court on Friday junked the circular that the Ministry of Home Affairs had issued, which pressurized the employers to full pay wages to workers even during the lockdown. Lockdown 4.0 guidelines is expected anytime on Monday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday held several meetings with his ministry's officials ahead of the announcement of guidelines for the fourth phase of the coronavirus induced lockdown that begins from Monday, that is 18th May 2020. My takeaway towards the discussion is the internet has changed everything. Back in March, it might have been understandable for previously office-based employees to have gaps in their cybersecurity awareness training. But there can be no excuses now. Whosoever are working from home, they have to be updated with the required technology and precautionary measures into cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, share your post and valuable comments and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please stay tuned for more information and stay safe. Thank you.